everyone, it's Misty here from Stamp Anything. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I have day 3 of our August preview. So if you missed it, once a month I do these preview videos to share with you not only the products that are available, but also design team projects. That way they're all in one place and you can get all of your inspiration in this video, and then you're going to go join the Facebook group for even more inspiration. So for day 3 we have Susan Ahoy my hearty. Hardy. Ahoy my hearty. Oh my word. So we have a fun little chibi sitting on a barrel of coins. She's holding a treasure map and her sentiment is ahoy my hearty. Hardy? Yeah, I think so. Her hair is going to be so much fun to color because you can do it like traditionally or we can make it curly. You guys know I love my dot method. All right, friends, as you see, I have the design team members going on as we talk. So if you're interested in all or part of this release, be sure to sign up for Stamp Club. There are 3 levels, both US and internationally. And like I mentioned, this month, the dies will not be included and you will not be charged for them. And hopefully they will be around later in the month. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Subscribe, please subscribe. We're getting so close to 700. We're working our way that way. I would love to hit it by the end of the month, and I think we can do it with your help. So give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment letting me know what technique or color combo you'd like to see for one of these cards going forward. Share it with your friends. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, all of the places. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you real soon. Oh, no, I'll see you tomorrow for day number 3. So yeah, okay, bye.